Thank you, you too. Up early today, got some Chick-fil-A. I got up at 5 o'clock. Yes, y'all saw that right. I got up at 5 o'clock. I want to get this video done today. And I mean, we got some good stuff planned today. I'm in a good ass mood. Got some Chick-fil-A. I mean, you know it's gonna, wow. I need to start. There's a Bojangles right around the corner from my house. Y'all can expect that soon. But today's a good ass day. I got tea on my face now, but we're good. We gonna get it today. Video, like when you start the day off like that, you wake up and you get something done. It just, there's no better feeling. You wake up, the first thing you would do, I didn't even shower. I woke up, the first thing I did was sit down on my computer and I knocked out a video. You accomplish something first thing in the morning, sets your day up right. We're gonna have a good ass day today. Y'all stay tuned. I got some stuff going on with the truck today. Some more 14 wide stuff, you know, some more 14 wide issues. Y'all need to stay tuned for the content. We getting this bread today. Everyone else here as witness, I have some microwave popcorn at home that I'm going to bring so we can enjoy some popcorn tomorrow. And this is a way for me to remember, because I'm gonna go home and edit this tonight and it's gonna be like midnight. I'm gonna be like, oh wow, the popcorn, it's sitting right there. Let me grab it for tomorrow. So let me set it at the front door and I'll still forget it. Or the dog will eat it or something. So this is me remembering to bring the microwave popcorn so we don't have to keep making it in a brake cleaner can. Even though that is pretty fun. Maybe I'll still do that today. So we've actually got a couple of things that we're doing to the old bow tie today. I got a nail in the left rear tire. I need to rotate and balance them. And I'm gonna go ahead and flip the front tires on the wheels. Now I need to do all four, but I'm just, for the hell of it, today I'm only gonna do two because I only feel like doing two. But the reason I'm doing that is the reason I'm doing that is these 14 wides, when I turn, they turn at an angle just because they're so wide. And I promise you, I'm gonna tell you guys right now, it has nothing to do with the alignment. I've had the alignment checked and the alignment's fine. But just the fact that they're so wide, they start to turn at an angle, and over time it's been wearing the outsides of the tire, which I'll show you guys in a minute. So I'm gonna flip them on the wheel because the outside edges of the tires are really getting kind of worn and the insides are pretty much brand new. So I'm gonna go ahead and rotate them, balance them, flip two of them, and then fix that nail today. And get back riding right. So let me hop out real quick and show you guys what I'm talking about. So I'm sure y'all can see the outsides are getting a little bit worn. You really can tell on this outside edge right here how rounded off it is. And then on the inside, it's you still have that block on the outside. The insides are so much deeper than the outsides are. You see how it's definitely not as thick. I mean, I'm sure you guys can see that. So we're gonna flip two of the tires today, and that's just a product of having 14 wides. You know, getting into 14 wides and 15-inch wide tires. That's something you guys need to think about when you're buying this kind of stuff, because this is something that you could deal with at some point. We interrupt this program because I don't know what's going on over here, but look. Hey. Let's come on. Let's do it. Oh,
4 guys, 1 truck. 4 guys.
Oh. Wow. This is a strong.
Wait for it. Dave's rolling shit in the parking lot.
It's a pretty strong hitch. Bounce it.
No, don't bounce it.
Back to the tires. Truck's all finished up. Me and Lance are going to lunch. Christina's not gonna be happy, but this is the first time I've been able to sit down at a restaurant in a long time, and that's what we're gonna do today. So I got the ball joints and the tie rods greased up, got the front tires flipped over, and got the other ones rotated to the back. The only downside right now is I only have one white wall tire because the other one got flipped to the front. So now the white wall is on the inside. So that's my only downfall right now. I got to put my my spikes back on. But yes, I've only got one white wall tire, and you guys need to let me know whether I should do the rest of them or brake cleaner that one on. So
add more vanilla.
Add more vanilla. I like that. Oh yes. Look at this. Look. Oh Oh my goodness. That is
It was served
taco salad. It was served to us by a waitress. What a concept. I thought this was really cool, so I saw this earlier. So this is Fury Tires Instagram page, and they tagged my page, Just Bow Ties, in one of their pictures. Let me just to kind of prove who this is. Fury Tires, 172,000. That's crazy. That's absolutely insane. You shout out to Fury Tires, even though I have Nittos. I had to stop by the tent shop for just a second. Say hello. Hello. Hold on. Hello, Cody. Hello, Zach. Hello. Christina's on my ass today, so I could just stop by and say hey. So hey, we're too scared to go into the Walmart right now, and we pull up to the Walmart, and who do we see except he's not here? It would be really awkward if he's like sitting in his truck right now, and Zach just did the window tint on it. Yeah, no, he's definitely not in there. It's not 5, I don't know if he did 5%. I can still see in there, but my guy's got a beautiful 2019 Silverado with the 6-inch lift, with the fuel wheels. Shit looks good. If you're watching this, I like the truck. Come here, can I ask you a question? Come here. Can I ask you something? Can I ask you something? What is this? Huh? Huh?
Go tell him.
What is that? What? Come on, man.
He said woo.
Come on.
Woo.
What happened?
Tell him, Stacey.
What happened? Stop sniffing Dobie's butt. Come here.
Bye-bye.
We're gonna talk about this later, young man. Oh, that. I don't even know what to say.
It'll buff out.
That's not buffing out.
Yeah, a little wax.
Oh, look at the, gosh. Absolutely ridiculous. And oh, by the way, for those of you that watched the video a couple days ago when I was talking about not having to mow this side of the grass, well, Christina's freaking out, and I get to mow that too, even though it's not my job to mow that. But hope you guys enjoyed the content today. We got some stuff done with the truck, got some you know, just a little routine maintenance, get some of that done. Flipping over those tires, 14 wides, unfortunately. You know, those 375s are wide, and you know, they've been wearing on the outside. I've been meaning to do this for a long time and finally got around to it today. So hope you guys are enjoying the content. Today is day 40, daily vlog day 40. We got 10 days left till we hit number 50, big 5-0. That's gonna be a big milestone. So I'm maybe thinking about doing something fun and exciting for that, but I don't know, we'll see. Should I do the white walls again? I don't know. Who knows? Stay tuned. I got a big surprise for the Tahoe coming. You guys have been guessing, but nobody's guessed it right. So guess it right, and I'll give you a shout out on Instagram. I'll see you guys later. Let's get this bread.
That's what I'm talking about.